Today, I'm going to walk you through a quick demo of how LogChain can be used to save costs and make your business operate better. We'll take a simple example of a truck arriving at a depot to load a tank of liquid chemicals. The truck is weighed before it enters the loading site and weighed again after it's been loaded. The information, i.e. tare weight, total weight, and payload weight, is recorded, and a weighbridge ticket issued to the driver. The ticket then has to be given to executives to add to the company's system when they have time. The difference enabled by LogChain is that the weighbridge data can be transmitted digitally to everyone in the supply chain who require that information. As the information is generated from the weighbridge's IoT system, which is calibrated, the accuracy can be guaranteed. In addition, because it is transmitted digitally on LogChain's platform, it cannot be altered and therefore provides an immutable record of the weights. If the site has a manually operated system, it can still be recorded using the iOS or Android app. This gets instantly transmitted to the office. No need to wait for the information to be walked across and typed in. At a stroke, that information is available fast for the company. The app is faster than pen and paper. We know exactly who did the check and when. This enables other stakeholders to process the order without the need to wait to receive an email verification or phone call from the driver, both of which could be a source of error. This type of digitization has been done in many industries and by itself will bring a lot of value to the supply chain. What is different here is that LogChain is using blockchain behind the scenes. Each event, like weighing the truck, is added to the blockchain. Nobody can change it. Nobody can lie and say it wasn't done or done earlier or later. This creates a single source of truth for shipping data. At the moment when shipping goods, your own system is only useful inside your own company. To communicate with e-stakeholders, you need to move from digital to analog using email and Excel. When you use LogChain, shipment information can be ported off the blockchain into your own systems, SAP, BlueJ, JD Edwards, or any custom-developed ERP, WMS, or other software package that has API access. It can also be shared with anyone else in the supply chain. A supply chain has many different people and companies in it. To move a product from one port to another can often include more than 30 companies, 150 supply chain executives, excluding site staff, and over 100 email chains, if everything goes right. Most of these emails revolve around asking for and supplying status updates, and they can lag events by days or even weeks. Using LogChain, we can easily define who should be able to see the weight of the load and whether they see the detail or not. In this case, we may set up the trade lane so that managers at the port can see only the total container weight for loading purposes, but show the trucking company the tare, total, and payload weight. Totally configurable. This information is available in real time. We've used the example of weighing a truck here, but there are dozens, if not hundreds, of other use cases where LogChain captures data from site and office and makes it available across the supply chain on a need-to-know basis. The information automatically appears in their systems as it's recorded on the ground. What this means is that we can create a private database across all the organizations in a trade lane that gives everyone real-time access to time-critical operational data. This reduces the amount of time entering and reviewing data. It also puts data into a machine-readable form, enabling automated business processes to be run. For example, automated rebooking of the next vessel if a cargo is picked up too late. It also enables deep reporting on a management level. Instead of waiting almost a month for the latest figures on container utilization, real-time management reporting using live dashboards transforms the way that managers see their business. This has given you a brief taste of how LogChain works. How do you see this being able to improve your business?